This is the Samsung Watch 5 Pro charging and battery life compared to the Polar Ignite watch. If you've watched my other videos, you already know my opinion of the band that comes with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and that's the first thing I did is replace that watch band. Not only will this now be easier to use and to adjust throughout the day, but now I bet you can actually use this with a charging setup. The phone goes on this side perfectly happy, but with that old band, the watch wouldn't lay on it. However, with this new band, you can lay it right on there, it stays in contact, and now this charging pad is actually useful. Now, since the Polar watch is tracking my heart rate continuously, I want that to be the same on the Samsung, so I'm going to go to the settings. I'm going to go to Samsung Health, and in the heart rate it says measure continuously, so that's what I want. Okay. Both of these watches are at 100% at 7:16 p.m. on Wednesday, 9/14, and I'm going to put them on one on each wrist now. The Samsung watch buzzed at me just a couple minutes ago. It is 11:26 to say that it's totally dead. Fine. So that'll need to recharge. The Polar still has 16% life on the battery, so I'll run that out to see when it dies. The Polar still shows 6% charge. I'm going to just call that done at 6:13 p.m. though, because if I wanted to actually train with it, it says it won't do it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel below and let's celebrate turning fuel and air into adrenaline.